So this is a part-time hustle that I've been doing for quite some time now. Now, I haven't spent any money on this. I've been doing this for the past couple of months, and to this day, I am seeing anywhere between $100 and $300 per day. As with this strategy, it's completely free to do. It can work in any country in the world, and I'm going to give you one of my biggest secrets to making money online. That's starting from scratch. That's with zero money, zero people following you as a nobody. And I've decided to make this video on this topic on how I made this $500 in the last 2 days doing this strategy, so that you can see exactly what I did, so hopefully that you can replicate this and get your first results online if you haven't yet. If you're already making money online and doing that part-time or full-time, this is a great strategy just to add on top of that to increase your revenue more. And also, we're not going to spend any money on ads or Instagram shoutouts or Twitter posts and shoutouts and influencers, and we're also not going to be producing any video content, so we don't need to talk on camera or on Instagram. We don't have to get outside of our comfort zone. This is really easy to do, and I really recommend that if you're going to follow this with me, keep your phone or your laptop next to you so that you can follow each step while you watch this video with me, so that you can understand exactly how to build this little business up and make some money online. But quickly, before I get into the strategy, in yesterday's video and the video before that, I was doing that $10 giveaway. Each and every video I announced the winner, and the person on the screen right here is the winner of today's giveaway. They counted that word correctly, so all I ask is DM me on Instagram at jfrodham with the screenshot of your comment, or leave a comment down below on this video and I'll pin that so I can reply to you and ask you for your PayPal so that I can send you your $10. But well done to you, you are the giveaway. And I'm going to do the same thing in this video, except I'm going to do things a little bit differently. Instead of counting how many times you must say a word, I'm just going to ask you to subscribe down below with the bell on, leave a like on this video. This is a must. I have a tool called vidIQ, like I mentioned before. I can actually see if you're subscribed or not. That is a must. And just comment down below one of your most favorite positive quotes, so we can keep the comments positive. We can keep a nice happy vibe on this channel. I really want to see some of your quotes, and maybe I'll pin that, or if you want, I've got a whiteboard behind me. I'll maybe think about putting your quotes on that whiteboard, but make sure to go and do that. So subscribe down below, leave a like, and comment down your favorite quotes. And then what I'll do is I'll choose a random comment picker, or if I really like a quote that stands out, I'll select you as the $10 giveaway. But without further ado, let's hop straight into my PC and get straight into this. Okay, so we're now inside of my PC, and I actually want to tell you guys a secret. The best way to build a big business in the beginning from scratch is what I like to call, and I actually learned this from Gary Vee, is the jab, 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 hook strategy. So basically, give value, give value, give value, and eventually you're going to be given back, whether it's sales or value or customers in return, because if you can give to people, they will support you in return. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing here. And basically what I've been doing is, this part-time hustle is giving free ebooks away, giving free courses, free video courses, resources to help educate people online, to hopefully solve people's problems, give them solutions by giving them away these free ebooks. But that's the catch. That is why the strategy has been working so well. It may not make sense, like how on earth do you make money by just giving away stuff? Keep watching with me, because it's going to make sense as we go along with this. So the first step is, you're going to come over to this website over here called IDPLR, where you can get access to over 12,500 different PLR products, that being software, videos, templates, graphics, music, ebooks that we can go download, claim as our own. We've been given the license to do that. We can either resell that, edit it, change the branding, change the text, give it away, sell it. We can do what we want with it. You can also use another website called theplrstore.com, which is another great alternative to get free ebooks that you can use as your own. But for the case of this video, I'm going to be using idplr.com. So the second step is, once you've created your account and registered completely for free, we need to go and find an ebook that we can use. And let's click on ebooks with giveaway rights. And over here, you can see the following ebooks: Kickstart Your Internet Business, The Social Media Traffic, 20 Online Business Ideas, The 30 Days of Motivation, Blogging Quick Start. So a nice beginner ebook and beginner friendly ebook that I'm going to be using is called 20 Online Business Ideas. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on this and we can go and download this to our PC. Over here, click on download, and this will successfully save to our computer over here. Once this is done, we need to head over to the folder where we've downloaded this ebook, right click on the zip folder, extract it, and over here in the special report, you will see the ebook on 20 online business ideas. So you can see this is a full-on ebook that gives you 20 businesses that you can use to make money online. And this is going to take us to the next step. So this is important as we need to go and edit our ebook, and this is where we're going to make money online by giving away this ebook. So let's come over to this website over here called pdfescape.com, which is a online website where we can go and edit PDFs completely for free. So there's no sign up or enter credit card. It's a completely free tool. We're going to click on the free online version. We don't need to download this. And what we want to do is we want to upload a PDF to PDF Escape. Let's go choose our file and upload this ebook by clicking on open. But before we go and edit this, we need to go and find an affiliate product. So we can come back to JVZoo. What you want to do is come over to the affiliates tab, and you want to come over to find products on the find products tab of your JVZoo dashboard. JVZoo is an affiliate network where people list their digital products or software or courses. You can become an affiliate for that, and every time you make a sale for them, they're going to reward you a commission for that. So we can go filter this category by business and finance. So let's go and search all the business and finance products, because that obviously has to do with make money online, financing, which is obviously what our ebook is related to, because you can't go and choose a fitness product to go promote in a make money online ebook. It's not going to make sense. You've got to keep the niches the same. So over here you can see all the business and finance products. So you can actually see here local lead driver. So this is basically a tool that will drive leads to your landing page, your website, your business, your Facebook page, your business Instagram page, or your personal account. And it's a tool that will help you drive leads, and this is perhaps a tool that we can go and promote. And I've basically been going and promoting these various different products on JVZoo in these ebooks and giving them away. But while I'm busy recording this now, I actually just thought of now a really good product that I've promoted in the past on Digistore 24. So Digistore 24 is the same as JVZoo, but the product that I'm looking for is actually on Digistore 24. So we can go log in with our account and come over to the marketplace, and we actually want to search a product called Crestani. And if I click on search, over here you can see John Crestani's super affiliate system. So this is an entire in-depth course that John Crestani sells, selling his secrets on how he made his first 6 figures with affiliate marketing. This is one of the best courses online when it comes to affiliate marketing. We can actually go and promote his course, and we're going to earn a staggering $1,522 per sale. So this is a very high ticket offer, but I mean, if you think about this and you use this ebook strategy every day, and if you focus on the goal of just one sale a month, that is an extra $1,500 a month, which is a lot of money. And right here is our affiliate link. So we can go and copy this. Let's copy that. And also why this converts, let me just take you to his landing page quickly. He actually has like this entire free training right here, or webinar, where he basically gives away free value in this training before he actually sells you the course. Then after that, he upsells you to the course. So we can actually go and use this free training kind of as like a hook to hook in people that go and download our ebook. So what we're going to do is, now that we have our affiliate link over here, we're going to come back to PDF Escape, and let's go and edit this. And over here on the first page, we can add some text. So let's click over here, add some text, and I just wrote the following: the #1 super affiliate marketing free training that will skyrocket your affiliate commissions. Then we can put here, click here to reserve your seat. And then we can actually go and save this. We can put this here at the bottom of the page. We can go and then click on link over here. You'll see there's a button that says link. We can highlight this entire section just like this, and we can then double click on this. Then this pop-up will come up, and we can go and paste our affiliate link over here. So let me go and paste this there just like that. Click on OK. So now on this first page of this ebook, this is the first thing that people are going to see: the #1 super affiliate marketing free training that will skyrocket your affiliate commissions online. Click here to reserve your seat. When they click on this, it's going to take them through your affiliate link to this landing page over here where they can sign up for their free training. And we want to go and kind of type this on each and every little page. So here we can go super affiliate marketing free training, reserve your exclusive seat here. And then again, we can go highlight this. We just want to click on properties and center this. We don't want to make it in the middle. Click on center, click OK. We can move this down a bit, and then we can go again, highlight this section and add our affiliate link and click OK. And what you want to do is you want to go do this for each and every page and on each and every page and promote your affiliate link on each and every page. Once that's done, hover over to the left here, click on save and download. And here you can see my ebook is now downloading to my PC. So once this is downloaded, we need to go and publish this ebook on the 5 free ebook publishing platforms that I'm going to show you. Take a look at this website over here. First of all, we can go and post this on Amazon Kindle Direct. We've got bookrix.com, smashwords.com, Apple ebook store, and this one over here as well, myebook.com. We can click on library over here, and you can see people are publishing their ebooks on these various different platforms. But I quickly want to work something out for you guys. This is the amazing math behind this. Let's say we start this off and we post 2 ebooks a day for a month. That is 60 ebooks. Each ebook gets, let's say, 5 views or downloads each a day. Let's go times 5. That's 300 downloads a month, posting every single day. Let's say one person out of these 300 people converts. That is going to be $1,500 in commission. Let's say we do this for a year, an ebook every day for a year. That's 365. Each ebook gets 5 views. That is going to be $1,825. Let's say if even 5 people out of this convert, that's nearly $8,000 in commissions off John Crestani's course. So you can see kind of over time how the traffic builds up more and more, because as you get more and more ebooks, you're going to get more and more clicks, more and more downloads, and perhaps more and more affiliate commissions as you go along. So that's how it starts small, but you build up, build an entire ebook publishing business, publish more and more, get your name out there, publishing these ebooks, promoting your affiliate link, and that's how the traffic will build up over time. This, for example, is bookrix.com, and you can come over to self-publishing. You can try it completely for free. There's no entering your credit card, no paying monthly fees or anything like that. This is all free traffic on all these platforms. And what you can also do is you could also go and create like a resource page on, for example, Instagram. You have like a giveaway page on Instagram where you constantly give these ebooks, like link in bio, and then people go and download those ebooks. They see your free training that you're offering in all these different ebooks. You're going to get 1 or 2 clicks there, 1 or 2 sales there is anywhere between $1,500 and $3,000 in high ticket commission. So that's also a great way to go about this, is other social media platforms and building like a resource theme page. But that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my main channel as well, Millionaire Mindset. But what I'm going to do is on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to yesterday's video. It was all about getting 25-cent little affiliate sales every couple of seconds by signing up people to a free account on that affiliate program. Really interesting and valuable video, as it really adds up. So you're welcome to go and check that out on the screen. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video for another $10 giveaway.